So, world, Andy tuning in one more time. And look what I got here. You already know what time it is. I make myself a daily lemonade. I'm telling you, on a daily basis. And if I don't, it's just pure water, maybe a little chlorophyll. But that's besides the point. Today I got myself a good little lemonade mix. You see what I got? I got 2 key limes. I'm about to press it down, make sure all the juice comes out. Nice and easy. 2 key limes, y'all. I got 2 lemons and 2 small oranges. The oranges were labeled navel oranges. I'm not sure if that's the genus, the species, or just like the common name they name these oranges. But let me tell you, man, I made this lemonade a few days ago, and were these oranges ripe? They were delicious. Look at that color. They feel right. And the thing that really set this lemonade off for me, or Orangeade you want to call it, was this turmeric. I love to experiment, change things up. It might seem like I eat the same thing every day, but this turmeric root was tremendous. Now you don't gotta go. You don't gotta do a lot to this turmeric root. Literally, take off the skin and just plop into, in my case, the mason jar. But to whatever cup you got going. Put this into view. I'll start squeezing my citrus fruit. Like I said before, and I'll say it again. You could strain this juice, take out the seeds. The other day someone told me, why don't you strain it? Man, I'm telling you, it looks good. Adds to the aesthetic. But man, it just makes everything good. And to be honest with you, I've felt that and I've experienced that, the seeds help to move things along as your food gets processed and becomes, waste in your body. I've noticed that it helps things get pushed out nice and smooth. If you catch my drift. But here, y'all, that's what we're doing right now. Squeezing these limes, squeezing this citrus. About to get this ready, man. Like I was saying, with that turmeric and the orange, I do my best to either mix it with turmeric roots or ginger roots. But I noticed, man, this turmeric and this orange, ooh, maybe it's because they have the same common color. I'm not really sure what it was, to be honest with y'all. But man, it was good. Couldn't stop drinking it. But yeah, y'all, gonna get to this. And it's a late night right now. I just got home from work. Don't want to wake up my neighbors or whatnot. So I'm trying to keep it low profile tonight. But hey, I gotta make my food. Gotta get a video in. Gotta do what it do. But yeah, man, I got so many combinations of citrus fruit. Things you could put into the lemonade to make it taste a little slightly different. I'm sure y'all heard you can put cucumber in your water to make it alkaline and taste a little fresh. You can do all types of things, not just with the roots. Go ahead, feel free to do as you please. It's just some suggestions and ideas that I try out and that I find that are delicious. That's why I want to come on here and show y'all these things. Nothing too crazy, nothing mind shattering. Go. Like I said, man, you can get by a little fancy tool to strain all this juice out the fruit. You gotta have your hands all up in the fruit like I do. But hey, my hands is what I got. That's what I'm gonna use. That's what it is. And you could drink it right away. I like to let the lemonade soak into the turmeric root just so it has a better taste. So I'm gonna leave this overnight. You could just drink it right away, but I'm telling you, that turmeric root, give it a little time and it really comes out with the essence. You could chop it up to get more of a experience with the turmeric effect, but I feel like it being whole, it's a little easier on me. I don't have pieces of roux up in my mouth while I drink. So I just want to leave a hole, you know. We got a straggler. This is the downside of doing it this way. You get little particles and whatnot, but it's all about the experience. And at the end of the day, you could always take it out. Leave that there, whatever. No big deal. I'm gonna rinse my hands off. Y'all can use whatever sweetener. I just prefer to use agave. But if you've seen my other videos, you've been noticing that I've been limiting this stuff, man. Trying to watch the sugar. I got a major sweet tooth. It doesn't help that I like cookies and brownies and stuff. So, gotta watch that. Always sea salt, agave, and my little favorite thing, baking soda. Pay close attention. You can hear the sizzle. Probably even see it. Hold up, y'all. I'm about to fill this up with some alkaline water. Just complete the recipe. You don't gotta use alkaline water. I do recommend it to be some type of filter because in most places tap water ain't the best. So you gotta do what it do. Do what you can in your situation. Cause man, tap water ain't it. Yeah. Got the cap on. And that's what it is, man. Got the Orangeade. Little turmeric. Hope y'all are interested in this. Hopefully try it. That's that, y'all. I'm about to finish my food and get some rest because I got a whole day ahead of me. And it's already midnight. So see y'all later. Hope y'all take care. Peace.